Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today you guys can see, you can even see my ring light, guys. This is a real kitchen. This is not a prop kitchen. So, and it's very small. So anyways, it's to serve the purpose. Guys, today we are celebrating cereal, as you guys can see. 2 boxes of cereal in the background. So let's remove these boxes, because we are going to be using cereal for this collaboration. Guys, this is the open collaboration hosted by Jim's Kitchen. I will leave his link to his channel in my description box below. It's like you have to create something using cereal. You can make anything you want using cereal. So I want to make some like granola bars, but of course they have no granola. But I'm going to be making snack bars. Yeah, that snack bars. So I'm going to start with just using about a teaspoon of unsalted butter. All right. And then guys, I have never done this before. You're going to need a mold, okay? Line it up with paper, and if you like, you could spray, which I am going to spray mine. So I spray mine. Sorry for the movement of the camera. And I don't have a lot of marshmallows, so I'm going to use these marshmallows. And we're going to start melting our marshmallows. Okay. Hopefully I have enough. So we're going to turn this down because we don't want the marshmallow to burn. Now, in there, as it's still going, I want to add trail mix. This trail mix has everything. When I say it has everything, it has everything. It has pumpkin seed, peanuts, tree nuts, almonds, you name it. It's in there, guys. It's in there. Okay. I also have this little sampler that they give you on the supermarket. So I want to open these and put them in there. And those are not seasoned, but this one got like salt, so it's going to be like sweet and salty. And this one has pistachios and other goodie. And cranberries. I just taste cranberry. Okay. I think that's good. That's enough. It even has chunks of walnuts in there. Just melt and mix everything together. And then about a handful of Lucky Charms. A handful of Lucky Charms. And a handful of Kellogg's cornflakes, guys. Okay. Let's see. Yep, that's about it. Not too much cereal. Ooh, stir, stir, stir. I'm telling you. Let's make sure it does not burn. All right. Turn your stove off and put it in your mold. I didn't make a lot, so I only make a little bit. Press it down. That's what it looks like. So now we're going to let it get cool, and then we are going to cut it. All right, guys, we are back. So this is what it looks like. They're not thick because I didn't use a lot product. It's just me that's going to enjoy this. Me and my grandson is not here right now, so I don't know when he's gonna come. So anyways, take it out of your mold. It's still kind of soft. Yeah, it's soft. So if you want this thing to get really hard together, you have to use sugar. I don't want to use sugar. You know how sugar, when it gets cold, it caramelizes and it gets the coating. Even though I spray my paper, it's still stuck to the paper, but it's okay. So let me, I'll cut it in half. I mean, I am going to put it in the fridge longer, but just for the purpose of the video, I wanted to come here and show you. So guys, here is my little piece of snack bar. That tastes really good. I could taste the flavor of both cereal and all the item. So if you want it to be really healthy, just use more of this stuff than this. That's why I only added a little bit. And you could make your own instead of using marshmallow, you could use egg white and beat it together and then put everything together and bake it. But I like this. This is good. Really good. Well, guys, there you have it. This is all you need. Or if you want to look for another different recipe, you can do so and enjoy your snack bars. All right, guys. So I'm going to leave it like I always say. First, I want to thank the host for giving us this opportunity to come out here and show some of our recipes. And I want to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.